Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time here, please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my other videos. On this video, we'll be talking about what will happen this week on House of ZWIDE. Monday, 7 April. Ayanda wakes from the harrowing nightmare, still haunted by the events of Caesar's attack. On the other hand, Msizi tells Faith that he intends to make an amend with Ayanda so they can mend their fractured relationship. Tuesday, 8 April. Harriet reluctantly agrees to let Msizi talk to Ayanda. However, Msizi's attempt to persuade Ayanda to forgive him fail, as both Harriet and Ayanda refuses to have anything to do with him. Wednesday, 9 April. After her chat with Les, Faith surprised Nkosi by agreeing to sign the contract and leave the collective. Thursday, 10 April. With Faith ready to sign the contract, Msizi stuns her, Nkosi and Una by declaring that he won't sign the contract. Friday, 11 April. After Faith fails to get Msizi to tell her about his real reasons for not signing the contract, Nkosi then resolves to deal with the issue himself. Thank you very much for watching. That was all. Until we meet in my next video.